Genesis' most luxurious model, the G90 sedan, has received a dramatic redesign for the 2023 model year that brings it into the modern era. Exterior styling is inspired by the G80 sedan and GV80 SUV, but with a few unique touches that symbolize the G90's place at the top of the company's model hierarchy. Engine: the G90 has ditched its 5.0-liter V8 engine this year in favor of a twin-turbocharged V6 that is offered in two potencies. Both are paired to an 8-speed automatic and a wheel drive. The standard engine makes a 375 horsepower, but the E-supercharged model makes a 409 ponies and uses a 48-volt hybrid system and an electric supercharger to boost the output from the twin-turbo V6. The G80's cabin gets an overhaul for 2023 too, with a fresh design and post material that will help it go head-to-head with rivals such as the Audi A8 and the BMW 7 Series. Passenger space is generous in both the front and the back seats, and Genesis has incorporated several features that intend to take the luxury experience up a notch. Price: base $89,495, E-supercharged $99,075.